So very good morning to all. Let's understand the concept of HTML forms. First of all, let's understand why we require forms. So when you want to collect some data from the site visitor, for example, during the user registration, you would like to collect information such as name, email address, etc. Then a form will take input from the site visitor and then will post it to the page or the backend application. After that, the backend application will perform required processing based on the value passed. Then we have various types of form elements in HTML. So before discussing about that, let's understand after HTML, understanding the HTML forms concept, we are able to make forms like this. We can make a page like the Facebook page. So this is the page designed by HTML. So after understanding these controls, these form elements, you can able to learn, you can able to make this form as well. Also, one another example is like this. If you want to make a login page, then this form will be created with the help of HTML forms. So let's understand the concept of HTML forms. So here is the simple example, the example of a form. It is a type of registration form where you find first name, last name, salary. These are the types of text boxes in HTML forms. Then where you are able to select a value like city, then it is called a select box. And this control is called the radio button because all of these three you can select only a single value. And if you want to select multiple values, then use this particular checkbox. Here are two buttons, one is clear button and the other one is submit button. So we will learn these form controls, form elements one by one.